Hey, it's Rhianna. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday morning. So I think I'm gonna be doing a like a Hurricane Harvey weekend long vlog, just like documenting everything. I live in Houston, so we're not getting the initial impact, like where the hurricane is actually making landfall, but it is still expected to be pretty substantial as far as like rain and stuff like that. So we did, if you didn't watch my preparedness video, we did go ahead and prepare for the worst, just because, you know, it doesn't hurt to be prepared. I did some stuff in my yard I was gonna show y'all. We flipped over our fire pit just in case like strong winds or whatever, so we knocked that over. I moved my lounge, which is where I usually sit out here with the dogs. I moved that up against the house, and then all of our patio furniture and our barbecue pit and everything are over there in the corner as well. The first rain ban is expected to hit us. I live in northwest Houston, like the Katy Cypress area. So the first rain ban has actually already come ashore, and it's raining currently in like League City, Friendswood, where I'm originally from, which is where you see me going all the time. Like anytime I go anywhere, I'm always on that side of town. So, which is a lot closer to the Gulf. That's probably about 45 minutes from Galveston, and like at the most, and I'm about an hour and 45 minutes away from Galveston, approximately. So I'm not super close to the Gulf, so I'm not super worried about, I mean, plus we're not getting a direct hit, but depending on how much rain we get, we might have like some street flooding or something like that. So I was saying, the first rain ban has come ashore. It should be reaching all the way out here pretty soon. Actually feels pretty nice outside right now. It's 8 o'clock and it's 80 degrees, super cloudy, a little bit breezy. Feels pretty good though. So y'all saw me on Wednesday fill up my tank and get us groceries and stuff like that, and I'm really glad that I did, because it's all over the news that stores are running out of everything. And not that we're not getting more trucks in, but it's just like, when's the truck gonna come? Like, how do you know? Like, I don't want to have to be running back and forth to the store to get supplies. So as of right now, the forecast for Houston is pretty much, it's gonna be like raining off and on throughout the day today. Tonight, overnight tonight, early Saturday morning is when we're supposed to get start getting the actual serious rain and weather. We've been here for about 5 years, and it's never flooded here. Like when Houston had 2 recent floods, Memorial Day and Tax Day, and it didn't flood at our house for any of those events. Now we do have a bayou that's behind us. We don't have backyard neighbors. There's a bayou back there, and I've seen it get really, really full. I'm predicting that it'll probably be all the way full, and our backyard will probably have a lot of water, but I don't anticipate actual water in our house. So for I'm just gonna do a weather forecast for y'all. This is Corpus Christi. I'm just gonna show y'all on this map where I am. So here's Corpus Christi, and this is Houston, and I'm right there. So that outer band is just fixing to reach us. I'm crazy and I'm at Walmart. I realized that I wanted to make some sort of eggplant Parmesan or eggplant lasagna or something like that, and I only have half a jar of tomato sauce. So I needed to get another jar of tomato sauce, and then Jonathan wanted to make steak tomorrow because we're celebrating our 5-year date anniversary. And we weren't expecting a hurricane, obviously, so originally when I went grocery shopping, I didn't buy the steak because I usually leave him in charge of that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and see what Walmart has, and I might pick up something here depending on what they have. Or otherwise we'll be eating something else. So I guess I need to figure out what we're gonna have for dinner tomorrow night if we're not gonna have steak. What else? I can't think of anything else that we really need. Yeah. I didn't really meal plan for like the whole week this week. I've kind of just been flying by the seat of my pants, but I might pick up some more things just so that way we don't have to venture back out. But yeah, this place is gonna be a madhouse. I'm not looking forward to it, but let's go inside. Of course, people know their priorities. The beer. This is where the water's supposed to be. Chapayo. It's pretty empty. So this is the bread aisle. Are you kidding me? That giant Nutella is $6.64. I wish I still ate Nutella. Oh my God. Hey guys, so update, it's 2 o'clock. It is 79-ish degrees outside, but I doubt it's actually 79. The rain has started here. It's nothing significant. It's just been raining off and on since about maybe 10 o'clock. And windy here and there. Currently watching the news update. They're updating us. As of right now, they just come on every hour, on the hour. And they're just like doing like a quick like 2-minute thing to let us know what's going on. So as expected, it looks like it's really not gonna hit us until late this evening and overnight, which is super frustrating. I wanna know, why do hurricanes always come in the middle of the night? It's like, I wanna be awake because I wanna be able to protect myself. And so like sleeping through a hurricane is terrifying to me. Like I'm just probably won't be able to sleep, even if it's not anything super scary here. I mean, like, just I'd rather be during the daytime, you know, where I can see. That's all. Are you trying to open my eyes?
No.
I'm scared.
You're fine. All right, guys. This weekend we're celebrating our 5-year date anniversary. We officially started dating August 29th, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that was our first date, so we're celebrating. Quiet you. So we're celebrating that this weekend, including Hurricane Harvey. That's gonna be fun.
He kind of invited himself to our party.
Exactly, yeah, he kind of invited himself. But so I'm gonna give her her present, and I think she's gonna like it. Let's take a look.
It's an idea.
Mm-hmm.
But I feel like I don't have any idea.
You don't have any idea?
I don't have any idea.
All right, you ready?
Okay, are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold out your hand.
The box.
Yeah.
Open my eyes?
Yes, open your eyes and look in the box. Chance.
Oh, it's a resized ring.
Yep.
For me to wear.
And it's a pretty close direct copy of the one that we really wanted.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. The box is really nice too.
Yeah.
What size is it?
9.
Oh yeah, it fits. Oh my gosh.
You like it?
I love it. So for those of y'all who don't know, since we've lost so much weight, my wedding rings fall off my fingers all the time. and I'm really scared to wear them places. I'm just looking at it. I'm really scared to like wear them out and about because like I'm afraid they're gonna fall off. And so I had asked Jonathan to get me a fake ring to wear around because I know we can get it resized, but my fingers are gonna keep getting smaller because I still have a lot of weight to lose. And I don't wanna keep getting it resized. It's not good for the ring. And so I wanted him to pick it out because I wanted it to be significant. It's gorgeous.
It's modeled after the Vera Wang ring that I wanted to get her for our wedding, but I was not spending that much money.
It was like 15,000.
Yeah.
No.
No, it was 10.
It was like 10,000.
Yeah.
Because it was like 6 and like 3 or something like that. Wow, that fits really well. And the little band is so adorable. Did you try it on yourself to see if it would fit?
Yeah.
Because my finger's close to yours. That's really pretty. I want to like put on the like YouTube or whatever, be like, I said yes.
Oh,
or like on Facebook.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Happy first date anniversary.
Yep, happy first date anniversary.
Why are you zooming in?
I'm not, I'm turning off.
It is 6:30. It's 78 degrees. It's still just kind of overcast and hello.
Get in your lane.
There you go, yeah. It's still just kind of been sprinkling off and on. Nothing too exciting is happening around here yet. But we've decided to go to Galveston. We checked the weather cams. It's nothing crazy yet. And we've already talked about it and said that if for some reason, if the conditions got bad or if it looked dangerous, we would turn around and we would come back home. So we're not gonna be, oh yeah, thank you for that blasting AM radio.
Hey, don't you talk shit about my AM.
AM is garbage. Why do they even still have it?
Because AM is where you get all your news and information.
We don't need news information, we need music. Anyways, we're on our way to Galveston and we've got the GoPro set up. We'll be filming, of course.
By the way, it's Cat 4 now.
Is it a Cat 4?
Yeah, it just got recorded on 13.
Oh, so it's Cat 4 now.
Corpus.
I hate my stupid CPAP. It always leaves that mark on my, in between right there.
Oh yeah.
Stupid CPAP.
Just where he was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merchant change, but your face remains the same. Swallows will be here by dawn. When we're finally sober, they'll be gone. The trees will bloom and ice will melt. We'll always remember how it felt.
Yeah. So we are at the seawall now and just waiting on the light. We're fixing to go over and see.
Holy crap.
I think there might be a hurricane.
Something.
You can see the rain on the windshield is sideways. It's going this way. It's hitting Jonathan's side. You can hear it hitting his window. But I don't have any rain on my window. Sideways.
Yep. Moving the truck.
Yeah, the truck is moving. And it's 8 o'clock. It's not normally this dark already. It's kind of hard for y'all to see, but where this white line is right here, that's foam from the waves. Typically, the sand actually goes all the way back out. Y'all can.
There's a sign.
There's a sign. It's hard to see. It's focusing on my finger, but there's a sign out there. I'll see if I can circle it in post-production. That's where the sand and water is normally at. There's also a jetty that goes out. You can't even hardly see the jetty at all. And so right now it's a category 4 and it's not even made landfall yet in Corpus Christi. There goes Jonathan.
Holy shit. Morning, guys. This is Saturday morning. It's getting pretty 40 outside. So yeah, it's been raining like this for, I would say 5 hours now. So yeah. What's up, guys? Good luck. Hey, if it's flooded, don't drive through it.
Good morning. It's Hurricane Harvey day number 2.
Yeah.
We have our refugees staying with us. There's Crystal
Yeah.
and Everett. You want to? I know you want to see yourself. There you are.
Where is it?
So I didn't vlog at all last night after we left Galveston. I kind of got distracted because we had to rescue our refugees, and I just like got all disheveled and just trying to make sure they were comfortable and safe and warm.
Let me show you them. What's that?
Camera.
Oh, this is great footage. So the car won't turn on, so we can't turn the parking brake on.
Oh my gosh.
So like everything that's terrible
Oh wow.
is happening, and it's starting to sprinkle.
Yeah, he doesn't have a jump box here either. Oh, he's got one. Alright. So they were trying to leave, but their car wouldn't start.
It's an end to a great day.
That's what you get for trying to leave. Hurricane Harvey's trying to tell you something.
Please still in the car.
I couldn't help myself.
There you go.
Don't tell me your car is like
No, I got nothing. Still got nothing. Nothing? Yeah.
Oh no. There we go. Success.
Hard nowadays, man. Getting the right ground.
Yeah, bring the car right
So Crystal and her family left. They safely made it back to the other side of town. The only thing that really happened to us overnight was that branch that fell over there. There have been enough breaks in between the bands that we're getting that the water has had a lot of chance to drain. When we came out here this morning, the yard was pretty flooded, but it's already starting to kind of clear up a little bit. As of right now, we still don't know what really is going to happen because obviously we don't know what the hurricane's going to do. It has made landfall, and basically they're just trying to figure out right now if it's going to go like back into the Gulf, which they kind of talked about once, or if it's going to like slowly move this way. Like we just like there's no idea right now what's really going to happen. So we're just keeping an eye on it. I think now that I have a chance to have a stopping point, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for now. I'm going to come back and finish day 2 and then move on to day 3 on the next vlog. Obviously, I couldn't edit the vlog and stuff last night because Everett was sleeping in the office. So, all right, I'm going to wrap it up and then I'll be right back for the next vlog. So subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button. I hope anybody watching this who might be in the Corpus Christi area, I hope that you are safe, your family's safe, your property's safe, everything like that. And I will see y'all on the next vlog. Bye.